Well, today we're introducing our fifth graders to career awareness. There are 7 different stations they get to go to. We just want them to be thinking, what do I enjoy? What am I good at? Because we want them to start thinking of what they might want to do. And they come in 5th grade and go through 7 sessions, and they go through those stations. It's hands-on activities to just kind of spark their interest in careers. They love it. I ask them which session they like the best, and they all like different things.
My favorite one is engineering and firefighting, because firefighting is like when you're outside and then you have to save people from fires, and it's like you're being a hero. And engineering is like when you build houses for people and homeless people that don't have anything.
You put your one finger on the mirror, and then you lift it off, and then this powder stuff, you put it on there, and then there's like this sticky thing that you put on, and then you try to get all the air bubbles out, and then you close it, and then there's your fingerprint. It was exciting because I've never done it before.
The kids have been awesome, and it's just a good event for them to be thinking about, someday I'm going to get a job and I need to start thinking about what interests me, what I like to do.